Sober me got a present from drunk me. Drunk me bought sober me this. I'm no hero. I put my bra on one boob at a time like everyone else. Tina Belcher. While drunk, I somehow found and bought 8 pounds of cereal marshmallows. Giant googly eyes. The best drunk online purchase I have made yet. Bought this while drunk. No regrets. I present to you my proudest drunken eBay purchase. So I was drunk one night and added this to my Amazon wishlist. My mom blindly ordered stuff for Christmas. Best drunken impulse purchase. More having one of those "why did I order 100 tiny handcuffs" moments. My wife's very proud of her drunken purchase. Accidentally bought my Toad 100 top hats instead of one while I was drunk online shopping. We also made a recent drunken Amazon purchase for our cat that worked out well. This was my best drunk eBay purchase. Drunk me apparently decided to go online shopping again. Bag of unicorn farts. Got drunk on Amazon and bought the cat a house. The purchase I made from eBay whilst very drunk has arrived. My mom got drunk last night and bought my family a third dog. Everybody meet Hudson. Ordered an eggplant vibrator. I'm a straight male. I got drunk and ordered a single bag of tea from Japan off eBay. I wrote a review. It was actually pretty nice. My buddy got drunk and ordered some shirts with his face on it. He gave them out to 15 friends and the day face shirt movement started. First night of drunk eBay. More to come. Went online shopping while drunk. Now I own a Jurassic bug. So, one night a couple weekends ago, my drunk friend made an online purchase apparently. Yesterday, that purchase arrived. This is what happens when you Amazon drunk. Merry Christmas Brett, from Drunk Brett. Apparently I drunk ordered 11.5 pounds of cheese on Sunday. So a drunken conversation about Batman stuff lead to this showing up at my door a few days later. Let's all take a minute to appreciate this drunk Amazon purchase. Well, all that dumb shit I ordered on Amazon when I was zooted came in the mail today, so this is my new look. I drunk purchased a Danny DeVito life-size cutout. One drunk Amazon purchase later. Hey bud, I got really drunk and bought a pig last night. Her name is Carol. Come over and meet her. Guys, my drunk purchase came. It's ocarina, an ancient wind musical instrument. I bought entrance into a marathon. Better start training, I guess. When I was drunk I bought my dog socks off eBay. So I drunk bought that Nick Cage shirt. Best purchase I've ever made. Best drunk purchase ever. Dad beach towel. D shop while drunk on eBay. Just got this in the mail. Drunk eBay purchase. Welcome to my house. Wipe your feet, stupid. Friend got drunk last night and bought a scorpion. Woke up to this Snapchat. I might have messed up. Best drunk purchase in a while. I have a tendency to get drunk and shop on Amazon and eBay for weird stuff. Picked this guy up the other day. Best drunk purchase of my life. I bought this when I was drunk a week ago, apparently. Arrived this morning. So, I got blackout drunk at a friend's 21st last week and bought something at 5:30 am that I didn't know about until it arrived today. Sober me is very proud of drunk me. Thank you, past tipsy Sharon. Drunk. Got the Domino's guy to buy me McDonald's in the special instructions section. Sometimes late night drunken Amazon purchases are a good idea. Drunk me buys myself awesome presents. My friend's latest drunken eBay purchase. No more ordering pizza drunk.